Jai Hind students, welcome to Anjana's class. Students, today we are going to deal with the multiple choice questions from class 11th English book Hornbill, and we are taking a lesson number 1, The Portrait of a Lady, which is written by Sardar Khushwant Singh. This lesson is a beautiful story of Sardar Khushwant Singh's grandmother, and the story depicts the relationship between grandmother and the grandchild who was Sardar Khushwant Singh. So let's begin with the multiple choice questions from this lesson. Question number 1, who is the author of the Portrait of a Lady? Portrait of a Lady के लेखक कौन है? A. Ruskin Bond, B. Khushwant Singh, C. Naipaul, and D. Vikram Bhatt. And the correct answer is B. Khushwant Singh. Question number 2, who is the main character of the chapter The Portrait of a Lady? इसका मुख्य पात्र कौन है? A. Mother, B. Sister, C. Grandmother, D. Daughter. And the correct answer is C. Grandmother. Question number 3, how did the grandfather in the portrait hung on the wall look like? A. Old, long white beard, worn big turban, B. Old, skinny and wrinkly, C. Young, handsome and well built, D. Old and well built. And the correct answer is A. Old, long white beard, worn big turban. Question number 4, how did the grandmother look? और दादी कैसी दिखती थी? A. Old, fat, long, B. Long, fat, slightly bent, थोड़ी सी झुकी हुई, C. Old, short, slightly bent and fat, D. Slightly bent and fat. And the correct answer is C. Question number 5, when did the author's parents leave him with his grandmother? ऑथर के पेरेंट्स ने उस ऑथर को अपनी दादी के पास कब छोड़ा? A. When he was a kid, B. When he was an infant, C. When he became a teenager, D. When he failed and became a teenager. And the correct answer is A. जब वो बच्चा था. Question number 6, which animal did the grandmother use to feed in the village? गांव में दादी कौन से जानवर को खिलाती थी? A. Dogs, B. Cows, C. Sparrows, D. Cats. And the correct answer is A. Dogs. Question number 7, what did the author eat for the breakfast? A. Thick and stale chapatis with a little butter and sugar spread on it, B. A thick bread with butter, C. Upma, D. Rice and curd. And the correct answer is A. Thick and stale chapatis with a little butter and sugar spread on it. Question number 8, why would grandmother accompany the author to his school? दादी लेखक को अपने साथ स्कूल क्यों ले जाती थी? लेखक के साथ स्कूल क्यों जाती थी? A. To keep an eye on him, उस पर ध्यान रखने के लिए, B. To wait for him to take him back to home, उसका इंतज़ार करती थी कि वो वापस भी उसे घर ले जाए, C. Because of the temple attached to the school, चूँकि जो स्कूल था उससे मंदिर जुड़ा हुआ था, D. She wanted to meet villagers. And the correct answer is C. Because of the temple attached to. Question number 9, where were the parents of the author? Author के माता पिता कहाँ थे? A. Abroad, B. City, C. Other village, D. Other state. And the correct answer is B. City. Question number 10, what would the grandmother do in the temple on a daily basis? मंदिर में दादी रोजाना क्या करती थी? A. Meditation, B. Read scriptures, C. Sing religious prayers, D. Teach other kids religious prayers. And the correct answer is B. Read scriptures. जो वहाँ पे पुराण रखे रहते थे उनको वो पढ़ती थी. Question number 11, what was the turning point of the friendship between grandmother and author? लेखक और उनके दादी के बीच में जो दोस्ती थी, अब उसमें बदलाव क्या, कब आया बदलाव और वो कौन सा बदलाव था? A. When he became an adult, B. When his parents called them both to the city, C. When he left her to live in the city with his parents, D. When they stopped talking. And the correct answer is B. जब लेखक के मम्मी पापा ने उन दोनों को शहर में रहने के लिए बुला लिया. Question number 12, where did the author go to study in the city? A. English school in motor bus, B. by walking down to nearby school, C. Hindi school, D. nowhere. And the correct answer is A. English school in a motor bus. Question number 13. What made the grandmother unhappy about the author's new English school? A. The fact that she could no longer help him with the lessons. B. Because they were in city. C. Because she didn't understand English. D. Because she didn't understand English and could no longer help him with the lessons. And the correct answer is D. Question number 14. Why didn't the grandmother like music? दादी को म्यूजिक क्यों नहीं पसंद था? A. It was the monopoly of the harlots and beggars and not meant for gentlefolk. B. She liked only religious prayers. C. She liked the traditional folk music. D. She thought it would distract him from studies. And the correct answer is A. Question number 15. How did the grandmother spend her time in the city? दादी शहर में अपना समय कैसे बिताती थी? A. Feeding dogs. B. Reading scriptures. C. Spinning the wheel. D. Talking to neighbors. And the correct answer is C. Spinning the wheel. Question number 16. How did the grandmother spend her afternoon every day? दादी हर दोपहर बाद क्या करती थी? A. By feeding hundreds of sparrows. B. By taking a nap. C. By talking to author's mother. D. By going to temple. And the correct answer is A. By feeding hundreds of sparrows. Question number 17. What happened when author moved abroad to study for 5 years? अब जब लेखक पढ़ाई के लिए 5 साल के लिए विदेश चले गए तब क्या हुआ? A. Grandmother bid goodbye by silently kissing his forehead. B. No one came to see him. C. Grandmother moved back to village. D. Parents moved with him. And the correct answer is A. Grandmother bid goodbye by silently kissing his forehead. उसका माथा चूम के चुपचाप दादी ने उसको विदा. Question number 18. What change came in grandmother's evening schedule? अब दादी के शाम के कार्यक्रम में क्या बदलाव आया? A. She collected the women of the neighborhood. B. She would go for a walk. C. She would sleep early. D. She would talk to his parents. And the correct answer is A. She collected the women of the neighborhood. Question number 19. What happened when grandmother didn't pray for the first time? जब दादी ने पहली बार प्रेयर नहीं की तब क्या हुआ? A. She fell ill the next day. वो दूसरे दिन बीमार पड़ गई थी. B. She made this her routine. C. She took a break and went to the village. D. None of the above. And the correct answer is A. Question number 20. How did grandmother react to her illness? जब दादी बीमार पड़ी तो उन्होंने किस तरह से प्रदर्शित किया? A. She said her end was near. उन्होंने कहा कि उनका अंत समय नज़दीक है. B. She ignored her health. C. She took care of her. D. She was admitted to the hospital. And the correct answer is A. उन्होंने ये कहा कि अब उनका अंत समय आ गया है. Question number 21. What did the grandmother do in her final hours? अपने जीवन के आखिरी समय में दादी ने क्या किया? A. Talk to everyone in the house. B. Worried about everyone. C. Silently praying and telling her beads. D. Went to the temple. And the correct answer is C. Silently praying and telling her beads. Question number 22. How did grandmother die? दादी की मृत्यु कैसे हुई? A. During telling beads laying on the bed. B. In the hospital. C. While sleeping. D. None of the above. And the correct answer is A. Question number 23. How did sparrows express their sorrow at the death of their grandmother? जब दादी की मृत्यु हुई तो स्पैरोज ने इसे कैसे प्रदर्शित किया? A. They didn't come that day. B. They came and sat silently in the veranda. C. They ate the breadcrumbs. D. They chirped a lot. And the correct answer is B. They came and sat silently in the veranda. Question number 24. What happened when they took the grandmother's corpse away? जब दादी की अर्थी वहाँ से चली गई तब क्या हुआ? A. Neighbors visited them to pay condolences. B. They mourned her death in her room. C. Birds flew away quietly. D. Nothing happened. And the correct answer is C. Birds flew away quietly. Question number 25. How do you feel about the character of the grandmother in the chapter? इस पाठ में दादी का चरित्र के बारे में आप क्या महसूस करते हैं? A. Emotional. B. Strong. C. Selfless. D. Loving. And the correct answer is B. Strong. Question number 26. Where was the author's grandfather's portrait placed? दादाजी का पोर्ट्रेट कहाँ पर लगा हुआ था? A. On a shelf. B. Hung above the mantelpiece. C. Put on the mantelpiece. D. On a table. And the correct answer is B. Hung above the mantelpiece. Question number 27. Did the author bother to learn the morning prayers that his grandmother recited? A. Yes. B. He listened but did not bother to learn. C. He could not learn. D. No. And the correct answer is B. हाँ, वो सुनता था लेकिन उसने कभी याद करने की कोशिश नहीं की. क्वेश्चन नंबर 28. When was their common link of friendship snapped? जो उनके दोस्ती की एक मजबूत कड़ी थी वो कब टूट गई? A. When he went to college. B. When he went to the university. They were given separate rooms. C. When he started working. D. When he went abroad. And the correct answer is B. When he went to the university, they were given separate rooms. Students, now question number 29. What was grandmother's reaction when the author was going abroad? A. Happy. B. Sad. C. Not even sentimental. D. Sentimental. And the correct answer is C. वो बिल्कुल भी sentimental नहीं थी. Not even sentimental. And last question, question number 30. What was her reaction when he came back after 5 years? जब लेखक 5 साल बाद लौट के आए तो उनका क्या रिएक्शन था? A. Overwhelmed. बहुत ज़्यादा भाव विभोर थी. B. Clasped the author in her arms and said prayers. C. Happy. D. Sentimental. And the correct answer is B. Students, these were 30 multiple choice questions from Sardar Khushwant Singh's lesson Portrait of a Lady from your class 11th English book Hornbill. आप इन क्वेश्चन आंसर को बार बार पढ़िए और इनको लर्न करिए. इससे आपको इसके और भी क्वेश्चंस को लर्न करने में मदद मिलेगी. थैंक यू वेरी मच.